Page 47, Down in the Valley. D major still. 6/8 time still, so eighth note gets a count. And it has 3 beats in the first measure, so it's a pickup measure because there should be 6. But if you look at the last measure of the piece, that's got 3 in it, so we're still okay. We're just coming in on beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so the melody's in the right hand mostly. That first note the left hand gets, that A, that's melody. You have to bring that out. And this happens in various places. And each time, bring it out. Otherwise, the left hand stays soft. So keep the left hand down. But when you play that at the beginning, it's got to sound like one hand played the whole thing. You may have to practice that because you got to balance the hands just right to do that. I had a time learning how to do that, but you get it eventually. You can sing this if you want. I ain't singing it, but you can sing it if you want. There's not a lot to it. You got phrases, so make sure we get a silence between the phrases. Now, one little spot, I'll suggest something, you experiment with it and see what you think. In the last line, the last 2 measures, in the left hand, you're here, and then you're coming back to the 1 chord. Well, because you're playing the C sharp with little finger, you can, if you want, play the D with 4th finger, and then play that chord 4-2-1. And then come back to 5-3. So the last 2 measures in the left hand is this. You go here, 1, 2, 3. That way you can connect it all with the fingers if you want to. If you'd rather do it that way, that's fine. It's up to you if you want to use 5th on both, but I'm just giving you some other ideas. As we get through the book more and the music gets more complicated, I'll be suggesting other fingering ideas for you. And so if you can kind of do stuff like this now, it helps prepare you for what's coming later, is all. Other than that, let's try this out. There's just not, you got broken chords mainly in the right and the left hand. You know, 1 chord and a 5-7 chord. That's about all I see is 1 chords and 5-7 chords. So just rolling it. I'll give us 3 counts and let's start slowly. Just check notes and rhythm. So the right hand's here, left hand's here. Okay. 1, ready, go.